warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Izin memperkenalkan diri. Perkenalkan nama saya Diva Mandini dengan NPM 234111046 kelas MNJ 23C. Izin mempresentasikan tentang keseimbangan pasar. Award imbalance. Market equilibrium is a criteria can kept in economies that encroaches the smooth foundation of market, helping us better understand how supply and demand interact to determine prices and equilibrium. In this presentation, will explore the word of market equilibrium and its importance in the global economy. The basic defining market equilibrium. One definition. Market equilibrium is the point at which the quantity of goods and service demanded by consumer equally the quantity supplied by producer, resulting in an optimal price and output level. 2. Supply and demand. The law of supply and demand dictates the price of a good or service with the interaction of the two curves determining the market equilibrium point. 3. Factor affecting market equilibrium. Varying factors such as government regulations, technological economy, and input costs can shape the curves, which in turn after the market equilibrium level. How equilibrium is achieved and an inside look. Prices signals challenge in prices signal to producer whether to discern or interest production will customer determine whether to buy more or less based on the piece. Market adjustment. When the supply and demand curves shift, prices and quantities are immediately after until a new equilibrium level is reached. Composition and efficiency. Market equilibrium ensures that are efficiently allocated and the competition is fostered, thus leading to maximum customer satisfaction and economic growth. Shifting the equilibrium. The import of change in supply and demand. 1. Interest in demand. When the demand curve shifts to the right due to factors such as an in customer income, equilibrium prices, and quantity will go up. Yang 2, increase in supply. When the supply curve shifts to the right due to factors such as an increase in production, aquatic equilibrium, quantity will go up, will price will direction. 3. Dual shocks. When both the supply and demand curve shift, equilibrium, price or equity might increase or this depending on the shapes of the cars. Market equilibrium in the real world. Real estate. The equilibrium price of housing is influenced by the supply of housing, the demand for housing, and construction costs in a tight housing market. Competition among buyers differs up price. Labor, as the market for a particular type of labor becomes more competitive, wages will rise until they reach a level where the quantity or labor supply equals the quantity of labor demand or the equilibrium wage. Oil industry. The global oil market has been rocked by shocks in the supply and demand curves over the years as geopolitical events, touch innovation, and changes in consumer probes have all playing a role in determining the equilibrium price and quantity of oil. Consolation, achieving balance in a complex world. Looking ahead, as as the world becomes increasingly interconnected and complex, the role of market equilibrium in the economy will only grow in importance. Now, those least and evolving customer preference will continue to shape the equilibrium point, leading to now opportunity and challenge. The factor of laboratorium. Understanding market equilibrium is essential for individual and policy market in order to informed definition, raising price, and supply chain management. Criteria thinking and data analysis will play an important role in future market equilibrium analysis as business and governments adapt to a rapid change market equipment.